इस्राइल की नाबूदी तक जंग रहेगी, जंग रहेगी। इस्राइल की नाबूदी तक जंग रहेगी, जंग रहेगी। इस्राइल की नाबूदी तक जंग रहेगी, जंग रहेगी।
مقتدى الصدر بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإلى كل المحافظات العراقية، فأنتم الآن تسطرون ملحمة عز. فاتحة مع
Racist and political repression would like to give our uncompromising.
In Paris, thousands of people protested despite a new nationwide ban on all pro-Palestinian demonstrations, which appears certain to cause global condemnation. The government alleged that pro-Palestinian demonstrations were a threat to public order, which many found inaccurate, biased, and insulting.
Standing room only as thousands gathered on a narrow street outside Belgium's Foreign Affairs Department in Brussels on Wednesday evening. With Israel's aerial bombardment of Gaza continuing,